Prosthetics technicians help design and make artificial limbs, known as prostheses, for people who have lost a limb due to injury, illness, or a condition they were born with. They work closely with prosthetists, using technical skills and specialist tools to build comfortable, functional limbs that help people move more easily and live more independently. The job involves careful measuring, shaping materials like plastics and metals, and sometimes using computer-aided design (CAD) systems to create accurate and safe devices. The yearly salary of a prosthetics technician in the UK usually starts at around £25,000 to £28,000. With more experience and training, they can earn up to £35,000 or more a year. Technicians working in the NHS follow the Agenda for Change pay system, which means salaries are based on set bands depending on experience and responsibility. Some technicians working in private companies or specialist centres may earn more, especially if they take on senior roles or work with advanced technologies. To become a prosthetics technician, a person typically needs GCSEs, including English, Maths, and Science. After that, they can apply for a Level 3 apprenticeship in prosthetic and orthotic technical support, which includes both on-the-job training and studying at college. Alternatively, they might take a college course in areas like mechanical engineering or manufacturing, then find work and train on the job. Good hand skills, attention to detail, and a strong interest in helping others are also important for this career.